This structure, located on the Street of Workshops, also known as the Second Street, constitutes the largest residential area of the city. Built with 2 to 3 stories, it is understood that the structure was used throughout both the Roman and late Roman periods, and underwent constant changes with additions and spatial arrangements made over time. In the plan layout of the structure, a courtyard with a large cistern is located in a central position, and various rooms are lined up around this courtyard. There are 2 main entrances in the north and south directions. The southern entrance section measures 4.5 by 4.5 meters, and a very well-preserved mosaic has been discovered on its floor. The mosaic in question draws attention with 2 Greek inscriptions it contains, in addition to its geometric and floral decorations. While the inscription on the central panel translates to "Use it in good health," the inscription on the southern panel contains the expression "May the jealous one," or "jealousy, burst." In this respect, the mosaic is not only an aesthetic and artistic element, but also an important cultural document that reflects the social relations, daily life understanding, and belief world of the period. It is thought to have been used from the 2nd century to the 7th century after Christ.